This is the simple activity for learning language. Do forms. Do, does, did. These are called do forms. There are different auxiliary verbs we use in different tenses and different types of sentences also. So let us know how do we use these auxiliary verbs. Do and does, these are used in simple present tense. Did used in simple past. There are some personal pronouns, first person, second person, third person, first person I, we, second person you, he, she, it, and they, third person. So do is used for I, we, you, and they. Let us see an example. How is it? It looks like a butterfly. Yes, here I come to school, assertive sentence. For the negative sentence, we use do here. I do not come to school. I do not come to school. Negative sentence. Do I come to school? Do I come to school? For interrogative sentence. So we use do for a negative sentence and interrogative sentence. In the same way, how do we use does? Does. So does is used for only third person singulars. That is he, she, it. He, she, it. Let us see an example. So I wrote here the usage of does for the pronoun she. She comes to school. She comes to school. Assertive sentence. She does not come to school. Negative sentence. Does she come to school? So here for negative sentence, does not come to school. For interrogative sentence, does she come to school? So this is the use of does. Then we go to did. Did is used for simple past. So did is past and past auxiliary verb. So here also we see an example. Look here. He came to school. That is assertive sentence. For negative, we use here did. He did not come to school. This is the negative sentence. Then we go to interrogative sentence. Did he come to school? So we make this sentence using did for interrogative. Did not for a negative. So this is the use of do forms. I hope this is useful to teach English for teachers and learn children for self-learning. Thank you for listening.